Hello everyone, it's Peter here with AEG mixer. We got two opto-isolators because before it was checked and I was participating in that check, so I was measuring one of the opto-isolators, or I think there are two, but I've checked one, which was reading abnormal readings. So probably that's the case. What's happening is that's the on-off button. When you leave it on the, let's say, on, and when it's turned on and you leave it on the on and you switch off the power and you want to put it back into the proper location, like to the off, and then you switch it back on, it can work weirdly, yes? So I don't know what will happen now when I will connect it. Fingers crossed, yes, fingers crossed. Everything was connected properly. I didn't do anything apart from ordering that one and just leaving it as is. Okay, so you see this is blinking. This is blinking, and when we turn it, we don't have anything, no luck. Now, same here, okay? Can do whatever we want. So now it's on and off. And let's switch it back on. You see it's still blinking. So this is completely not working. Now I never fix these, okay? I just seen PCB and opto-isolator read wrongly, so that's why I knew we need to replace it. But what else we will find over there, I've got no idea. I'll pause, but I need to remove. So there are screws. There was this thing which the person who took it off, they didn't know how to do it, and so they've sort of bend it, you know, like a bit, but it is what it is. You could get see it's here bend as well, so you could get a brass one, for instance, yes, and make a brass one, or make, you know, this one straighten up if possible, but to straighten it up you would have like extra hassle. So fingers crossed, you know, we will make it at least working, if not looking, at least working, yes, because Christmas is coming, people want to cook. You know, I don't fix white appliances, but, well, red appliances, but let's give it a bash. Why not? Maybe it will be a fix. We will see. I'll be right back. Okay, so the PCB which is on, that's this one, and that's our opto-isolator. Now I'll remove this thing because I need to solder, so I'll be right back, and I'll remove it, yeah. So I removed that one, and I'll open web browser. Now we'll check the parameters of this chip, and then we can compare if in the how you call it, in the circuit and out of the circuit is the same reading. Because if that's the case and we get a fault, then we obviously know that it's a fault of this chip. If we will have a good reading, that means that it's not a problem of this chip, but there is other fault, okay? And we will have to unfortunately investigate it. So this is MOC 3021, MOC 3021. And that's MOC 3021 as well. Yes, okay, so the old one and the new one matches. So MOC 3021 data sheet. Okay, I'll share the screen with you. Do capture. Chat. MOC, that's the one I wanted to share with you. And now, yes, now if we will do the old data sheet, but I don't want to do add, because when we click on the add, then automatically what's happening is paid ad and they have to pay for the ad, so we don't want it. Okay, so let's do a, oh, okay, sorry, it's full screen, it's mean this, so here's the zoom. So the dot is pin 1, as we see. Yes, it's always pin 1. I don't remember when the last time I've seen it otherwise. But you know what? It's a bit bad. Free. Oh, I've got numlock was off. Sorry. 33557. Yes, and let's download it. Oh, I've downloaded even in the past. Okay. So we can zoom it in now, no problem. All we want is a scroll to the right. So we see that pin 1 to pin 2 we should have a diode reading, and we shouldn't have diode reading open loop when we've got the opposite. Okay, so let's do this. Can I? No, I've done the opposite way. Oh, guys, I wanted to do the okay, video above. Okay, now I can do myself yeah, that's what I wanted. I want to do the opposite. See, I'm trying to do it. I think I'll have to, only so that we can see this, because you need to see my surface with a meter, and that video, no, yeah, video is above, but that one is I'll pause and I'll do it because it's wasting our time. Oh gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. I thought, I thought that you won't be watching it, and I've forgotten to press the pause. It's still not working. Something else is a problem. So replacing only opto-isolator didn't work. I'll restart it. Sorry again for, for that. So this clicker is working. So in that case, there is some other issue in it. The question is what? We don't know. It's a brushed motor, okay? So, but it is turning, no problem, okay? So brushed motors, when running low on brushes, can stop. I don't know how big these brushes are. Is it off? Yeah, that's off. Okay. So the motor won't be getting the power. The question is, will it, when it will have a power, will it work? Okay, that's the question number one. Because if it gets a power, should work, but the whole electronics should say how much power it should get. Okay, so I need to make tests, so probably I'll need to do part number 2. Sorry, if I won't forget, I'll do the stamps, timestamps. I'm always forgetting about those timestamps, so sorry for that. But I'll try to do timestamps so you will know when I've done what. And I will try to figure out what's wrong, because I don't want to waste your time. How I found that this opto-isolator was wrong, I was following the current, where the current was going, and I've seen that they're stopped, they're not going. So I said, okay, it stopped on the opto-isolator, let's check, and now let's check if the opto-isolator is not burnt, because if it's still, it's inside. Okay, I'll pause and I'll test it, just out of my curiosity. Okay, so the swap was worth the hassle. That didn't burn anything, and that's mean we are one step closer to this mystery. But what else is causing that we will know later on. For now, I've got no idea. I don't fix them on a daily basis. It's just a PCB, so it's not the end of the world. But as long as the motor is working, okay, because I had a welder which I was it was a pain because I'm not familiar with those devices. Yes, so I fixed PCB, but there was further fault, and I had to give up on it because I won't be spending hours upon hours, and then guy will expect me to pay maybe up to £50 for the repair, and I've got no time, guys, to do it. I've got about 3 jobs which I should do today, and I haven't done them. That's one of them, actually. So 2 more I should do if I won't do those 2 jobs. There is a tannoy speaker, and there is a amplifier behind me, and if I won't do these on time, then I won't be able to order parts on time. If I won't be able to order parts on time, then I've got a problem with customers. Then parts came to Note 10 charging port. I need to do that one as well. I just booked in today this laptop, which I need to find what's wrong, another laptop, so no time to spend too much on them. That's it, guys. I don't want to waste more of the time for today on this device. I need to switch to another device, find faults in those devices, order parts, and then switch to another device. Yes, and then when I've got out and my parts are ordered, then I can spend more time on those type of devices. Plus tomorrow will be 2 customers, and on Saturday 1. So might be even more if parts will come, okay? So you never know. But anyway, that's it in this episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. If possible, please do like or subscribe. If you did, here's likes to you, yes? And see you in the next episode. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.